We grew up with our grandparents being right here on our dad's side. You know, so Grandma and Duda's house was right there. My grandma and Duda were stomp dance people at the very beginning. They went to stomp grounds. They went to the ceremonial grounds. And Duda was a leader. He would sing. And that's where I think a lot of the singing that Duda sang came from that. So whenever they started going to church, that's when Duda used to would lead songs.
And he had the spirit. He had, you know, he would sing them songs, and it would just be, you know, he could fill that whole church building with his voice.
Whoever we are comes from them teaching us how to be, teaching us how to sing, and teaching us how to be Cherokee.